Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you strings of dots nail art design step by step guide. Connect to the dot with this simple but captivating design. And step number 1 is start by painting your nails with a light pink nail polish. Step number 2 is using a nail art brush and a white nail polish. Draw vertical lines on your nails. Step number 3 is using a dotting tool and a blue nail polish. Place dots of various sizes on top of the lines. Step number 4 is repeat the previous step with a white nail polish. Step number 5 is using a dotting tool and light pink nail polish. Place smaller dots with the dots of just created. Step number 6 is finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go, your beautiful nail art design is ready to show off to your friends and family members as well. Polka dot pattern is my all-time favorite. Whether it's a dress of anything, polka dot nail art may seem like an easy to do task, but doing it neatly is not so easy. But here's a simple and an effective way of doing it neatly. All you need a few ordinary supplies and a steady hand. Now, to create this nail art, you will need clear nail polish, pink, red, white, black, bobby pin, nail polish remover, cotton swab. Apply clear nail polish of the base coat. After the base coat dries, apply 3 to 2 3 to 4 different colored nail polishes. One color of each nail. The color combination should be good. Allow the nail polish to dry. Use the straight part of the bobby pin as it is longer. You can do deep the bobby pin into the nail polish, but I thought it would be better to take out the nail polish brush. Here's you go, your beautiful polka dot design nail art is ready. If you have any query about this design, please comment me below. If you like my efforts, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you. Take care. Bye.